Hello again. So this is the second part of lesson 4, which is modified fundamental movements. Let's proceed. So dance is basically a combination of two natural types of movements, which are the axial and the locomotor movements. So locomotor movements are those that move the body in space in any direction using the feet as the moving base. While axial movements, or also known as the non-locomotor movements, means that various parts of the body in space, various parts of the body move in space with a fixed base. So meaning, you might be standing, you might be kneeling, you might be styling or lying. Higda ha, dili, gapamakak. Okay, next we have the locomotor movements. So what are the locomotor movements? So these are simple exercises or simple movements that require you to, move your body in space in any direction using, again, the feet as the moving space. Oh my God. Di man ni mao. Hala, aturad kayo na mo. So, locomotor movements, again, movements that move in the body. They move the body in space in any direction using the feet as the moving base. So walk and step, we have running, we also have jumping, we have hopping, we have skipping. So these are the normal things that we do, especially if we are exercising. So those are locomotor movements. So in walking and stepping, it is either moving at moderate pace on feet, lifting one foot only after the other foot has touched the floor or ground. So there is transfer of weight in every step made. And leg swings from the hips while the arms swing naturally at the sides. So that is for walking and stepping. Now for running, it is moving on foot with springing steps at rapid pacing such that for an instant both feet are off ground during each step. So that is for running. So why do we consider jumping as a locomotor movement? Because it involves springing and taking off with one foot or both and landing on both feet. Also for hop, a springing of one foot and landing on the same foot. And lastly, for skipping, it follows the same procedure as doing the hop, but bouncing lightly with alternative steps and hops. So as you can see, the similar things of these movements are moving the body in space in any direction, using the feet as the moving base. So dili siya stagnant. Dili mo nagastay lang diha as compared to non-locomotor or axial movements. For axial movements, wala pa di ay, try lang. So for locomotor movements, I will give you siguro 2 minutes to think. So give at least 3 or more examples that you usually do. So paghatag mo og 3 or more examples ng inyong ginabuhat, except atong nga gipang-mention na nako ha. So comment in the comment section of YouTube, and this will also serve as your quad section. Okay? Again, give at least 3 or more examples of locomotor movements that you have been doing. So that you usually do the item. Huh? So 2 minutes starts now. So timer po. Stopwatch. Okay, the timer is. Okay, so again, this is still part of your class participation. So if mag-answer mo, of course, it will be recorded. Everything will be recorded. So give your time to answer. Give yourself time to answer. Ayaw mo pagdali-dali. So simple lang. So 1 and 30 seconds left. So again, in locomotor movements, these are movements which requires you to move from one place to another using your body. So it is like moving your body na di mo magstay in place. So passive ang inyong movements. Ay. Wait. So 30 seconds left. Again, give at least 3 or more examples. So, 10 seconds left. So, participate na mo even if you know na late na ni siya. I mean, posted lang ni siya. Pero hopefully, mag-follow mo sa time. And there. So that's for locomotor movements. Again, what are those examples? We have walking and stepping, running, jumping, hopping, and skipping. And mga other example in yung mga comment. Kanang mga usual ng inyong gibuhat ha. Next is the non-locomotor movements or the axial movements. Again, non-locomotor movements means that various parts of the body move in space with a fixed base. So as compared to locomotor movements, you are moving your body, but your feet or one of your feet is stagnate. Is on standby. So wala na ninyo siya ginalihok. So examples ani kay kanang mga stretching exercises. So any examples are, we do have the flexion and extension. So as you can see, even if iyang gilihok iyang isa ka tiil, the other feet is still on the base. So wala na mo naglihok. So for flexion, you are flexing your hands. And for extension, flexion, you are you are flexing your hands. While in extension, you are extending your arms. Okay. Next is the hyperextension. So same with hyperextension, even if they are moving their body, all parts of their body, the base or their feet remains intact. So wala siya naglihok. They are staying on the same place without moving from one place to another. Okay, so that is an example for non-locomotor movements. So dagan gid kay mga exercises for that, no? And with that being said, napod tayo abduction and adduction. So abduction is moving your arms away from the midline of the body. So from here to here. While adduction, you are moving your hands towards the body or towards the midline of your body. So obos. So as you can still obviously see it, wala ka naglihok inyong tiil, which means it is non-locomotor since nagstay inyong feet or ang inyong base on a fixed base. Okay? So wala na mo naglihok sa inyong tiil, rather inyo lang mga lawas. So that is for non-locomotor movements. Now, for the next question, give at least 3 or more examples of non-locomotor movements. So same thing with locomotor movements. Paghatag mo ang example. So 2 minutes starts now. So 45 seconds. One minute left and 10 seconds. Again, sa katumasap na nga mangopya lang. Ito po pareha mo ideas ng classmates, no? So hopefully you will do this activity on as honestly as possible, as honest as possible. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Okay, 10 seconds. Eight timers. Timer. Okay, there you go. So thank you so much. Let's proceed to manipulative skills. So information lang, no? Locomotor, actually locomotor or non-locomotor lang kita. However, I would like to teach you movement skills. So, ang part sa movement skills, apil na di ara ang locomotor and non-locomotor skills. Pero sa tong libro nga gigamit, wala na nila gi-introduce. They did not introduce movement skills since I guess movement skills have been taught during our younger days, kung mga bata pa ta. However, wala gid siya na-emphasize. So, even if simple lang siyang activities, kaning manipulative skills, still, it is of paramount importance since it is very vital when we are trying to learn a new skill. So, manipulative skills are movement skills that require an ability to handle an object or piece of equipment with control, with your control. So skills such as kicking, striking, dribbling, or catching a ball. So these are simple activities that you can do at home. Now, examples of this are holding a ball. So you are manipulating from the word itself. Manipulation. Inyuhang gunit-gunitan. So sama ang mga friends ninyo mga manipulative kayo. So they hold your lives. So don't allow that, ha? Don't allow them to manipulate you. So again, holding a ball, you are manipulating the ball. You can do whatever you want with the ball. Then you can shoot. You can either shoot the ball or you can throw the ball. You can also kick the ball. So that is still part. Not necessarily na ang manipulation gamit atong hands. You can also use any part of your body. So you are manipulating an object. Also throwing a ball. So same thing. Give at least 3 or more examples sa mga wala na ko i-mention ha that you usually do. Just comment it in the comment section for 2 minutes. So timer starts now. So wait lang tag-update sa tuwang Google Classroom, okay? So thank you so much for listening and I hope you enjoyed our session for today. Good luck and God bless.